it's already big and little again time. I haven't even done my hexagons from last month yet. So we're getting through these at a rate of knots. I might sit and do all my outstanding ones soon. 20 and 21. This is where we're at now. So we've got some more grey and some more petrol. I'm glad we got some more petrol because I could see we needed more and mine had run out. So, usual crack-a-lacquering. So some grey yarn with this one, with book 20. Oh, look at this. This is Christmas crochet. It's quite handy. I love that. The Christmas baubles, but they're like lights. That's fabulous. They're made in Rico Creative Cotton. They're so cute. I might make those. Oh, look at those lace candle wraps. I've never thought of putting those around a candle. Granny square tree decorations. They're cute. Trellis and puff stitch. Paper chains. Now my daughter asked me to make a scarf like that. So cute. A Christmas stocking. That's a nice big stocking. With a lovely holly and berry embellishment on it. How to make a snowflake motif. A Christmas pudding hat. I might make that one up. In fact, I will make that one up. Oh, look at that. The Santa doorstop. How cute. And what it's stuffed with. A bag of rice. Very nice. Just, oh, that's cute. Felted Christmas wreath. That's gorgeous. And then how to do double chain foundation chain. And then the throw motif with the cartwheel hexagon. And that looks pretty straightforward. So that's that one. And number 21 is Quick and Easy Gifts. It's a mini coin purse. They're a good idea. Mini coin purse charms. They're a good idea though. A trio of motif bookmarks. I like that one with the flower on. I'm not that keen. That's musical notes, I guess. Oh, that's a cooking one. The round petal flower motif. There. Lavender sachets. Oh, how lovely. How quaint. Multicoloured belt bag. A gold lace cowl. That's gorgeous. Wonderful Razzle with the yarn. I like that. The long wave stitch. Mr. Mouse toy. So cute. And a cosy textured beanie. I might have a go at that. I have to have a go at the yarn. I have to go at the all the hats. A glasses case. Working in stripes. A masterclass. And the sunflower hexagon, which is nice. It's a bit more interesting. So, sorry. So that's Big and Little for this month. That's just a quick flick through. Definitely going to, I'm just going to check and see if I've got some colours and make up this one. But I think I'm going to have a go at the Santa doorstop. Definitely I've got the Santa doorstop and the baubles. Maybe one of the wraps as well. For a candle. And definitely the Christmas Pud hat. I'll do the Christmas Pud hat. So yeah, watch out for those, because I really need to do some projects. I've just been so busy with other things I haven't had a chance. But I will get round to it. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon.